I am sneaking in a quick video just for everybody who's waiting. I'm late for an appointment. I can't do any filming today. I'll be back in the shop tomorrow. But let's get it on. All the new exhaust system is built. I'll roll the window down. We have ourselves a full-blown drag car in Jimmy clothing now. Why not? Let's do it. We have a 3500 stall converter. It's just ridiculous. My God, it is unbelievable. It is so addictive, and I haven't even put the other carb on it yet. So that's why I don't have much to film. We're still tinkering with it. We haven't even set the timing. It is an absolute monster. My goodness. Holy crap, that's awesome. But I got to run to my appointment. So I just thought I'd squeeze that in for you guys. That's what we're up to this week. Yeehaw.